Welcome back to Royalscapes. I'm Prince, and today I'm starting this video a little bit different from the way how I usually start these videos. I'm showing you the crack that I'm starting with and then taking you through the transition to when it is complete. Guys, this one's gonna be another journey, and I hope that you stay tuned and follow me on this journey. I'm gonna be transforming my laundry area. It's in dire need of an update, and I'm going to do all the repairs by myself. Some of them I want to do, I will not be able to do, but I'm gonna do it the best way I can with what I have. So let's get started, guys. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe, like. If you have any comments, feel free to share them. I'll respond at any time. Just drop a comment down below and I'll be there to respond. So let's get into this build, guys. So guys, the first thing on the agenda today is to fix this roof. This roof has been cracking for some time now. Previously I just chipped out all those falling pieces of concrete. I just stripped them off, but there still needs more to be removed. So I'm gonna chip them out and then resurface the areas that are cracked, and that's gonna be the start of this build. So let's get into it. But before I can do that, I have to clear out all of this. The laundry area just became somewhere where we just threw stuff that we weren't using much. So this is what happened over time. I clean it out very often, but it just goes right back to this where I just keep throwing things here, there, and everywhere. So I have to clean out all this. So let's go. So, right now we're removing all this loose concrete because that's the first step to refinishing this roof. So, here we go. Alright guys, so I finally got the roof done. This is what it looks like. It was a painstaking process, but I got it done. The material kept falling down when I put it up there, but I worked through it. I don't know what I was doing wrong. I I'm normally putting concrete on a wall, not the roof. So I guess gravity was definitely working against me. So if you have any input or anything, any advice that you can share as to how I can do this and do it better if I have to do this again, I'll take the comments. Just drop a comment down below and I'll be grateful for it. Alright, because it was very, very rough on me. So but I finally got it done. So now I'm gonna do a brushed finish on the roof. This is just a sample section that I did. Just gonna use some cement and water. That's all I'm gonna use to mix it to a ketchup-y consistency. So I'm just gonna brush that on the roof. Guys, please remember, use a brush that you're willing to throw away when you're done, because this is definitely gonna ruin the brush. So keep that in mind when you're doing it. So let's go and see how this turns out. So this is just a close-up of what the this is a close-up of what the texture will look like. So it's just gonna have the brush strokes in it and it's gonna be a bit rough, and because I didn't do the roof properly, you're gonna definitely see where I repaired. But I tried to keep the brush strokes as consistent as possible. But it kinda look away now, but when I paint it, that look nice, man. It's gonna look really nice. You give me feels that you do. No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels that you do. No one can do it like you. Oh, I'm falling. Alright guys, so I hope you can see me. Wait, if you can see me. Yeah, so this is where I'm gonna leave you for this portion of this laundry renovation. I finished this roof and now I'm gonna do some painting. So check the next video for my painting montage or whatever I'm going to do with that. So see you later from Royal Escapes. Bye!
No one can do it like you.